Push buttons into Play-Doh. This fun and tactile activity helps your child isolate each finger while building control and strength, one press at a time. Roll a ball of Play-Doh and press small buttons into it, one finger at a time. Start with the index finger, then move on to the middle, ring and pinky. Use larger buttons and soft dough for younger kids. Help stabilize their wrist or guide fingers if needed. Challenge them to press in a pattern, index, middle, ring or alternate fingers between hands. If your child avoids stickiness, try smoother dough, rubber beads or use a stylus to begin with. This is a great activity to build finger endurance before handwriting, especially for kids with low grip strength. These same muscles help with gripping tools, turning pages, and using scissors independently. With just dough and buttons, your child builds control, strength, and independence, one press at a time.